Second point is addition. Okay, so how to add inequalities? So for that, what we are doing, see, alpha belongs to closed interval a to b. B is what? Open. And beta belongs to closed interval c to d. D is closed, c is closed. Then we want alpha plus beta. Okay, so alpha plus beta we want, that means you have to add these two, then only you will get alpha plus beta. So how to add? So to add this one, what you will do? First thing, what is alpha minimum? That is E. Okay, and A is equal to A possible. Okay, what is beta minimum? Beta minimum is C. And what is alpha maximum? That is B, but equal to B is not possible. So alpha max is what? Not equal to B, we can write. Okay, and what is beta max? That is D. Beta max is D. D equal to D is possible. Then we want alpha plus beta. So from here, alpha plus beta minimum, what will come? Alpha plus beta minimum is alpha minimum plus beta minimum. Okay, so here alpha minimum is what? A, and beta minimum is C. So what will come here? A plus C. Similarly, we want alpha plus beta maximum. So alpha plus beta maximum. So this will come out alpha max plus beta max. Okay, so alpha max is what? B, but here B is not possible. So what we can say? Alpha plus beta max, if you want. If anyone is not included, one of them is not included, then alpha plus beta max is not equal to B plus D. Correct? This is not included, that's why B plus D is not included. If both are equal to, sign will come. That means both alpha max is also B and beta max is also D, then B plus D will come. So here what will come? This is not equal to B plus D. That means alpha plus beta max is what? Less than B plus D will come. So what is alpha plus beta? So this one we can write alpha plus beta belongs to minimum is what? A plus C. So this is possible. So close interval A plus C, comma. Okay, alpha plus beta maximum is what? B plus D, but this is not possible. So what you write? Beta B plus D, and here you write open bracket. So alpha plus beta belongs to this one will come. Okay, now one more example we'll take. Okay, this we are writing in terms of interval. Now here we are writing in terms of inequalities only. So this example we are taking, if x is greater than -2 and less than or equal to 7, and y is greater than 4, equal to also we are taking here, and less than or equal to 9, then we want x plus y. X plus y. So directly we can do, what is the minimum values of x? -2. And what is the minimum value of y? That is 4. So here we can say that equal to sign is not there. Equal to sign is not there. That means x minimum is not equal to 2. So we can say x minimum is not equal to -2. And y minimum is what? 4. So you have to add these two, minimum with minimum. So -2 plus 4 is what? 2 will come. Okay. So this is what x plus y minimum is what? 2 will come, but equal to 2 is not possible. So this is always greater than will come. Okay. So x plus y is what? Greater than 2 will come. Okay. Where will come equal to sign? If this is also included, then we'll get. Next, what is maximum? So what is x max? 7, and y max is what? 9. X max is 7, y max is 9. So x plus y max is what? 7 plus 9, that is 16, or equal to will come. So x plus y maximum is what? 16 possible. Next we are discussing third point. Third point is subtraction. Subtraction. So here one thing is very important here. Subtraction we can't do directly. Subtraction we can't do directly. So for that, what you will do? We will use addition only. So how to do subtraction? Suppose alpha belongs to closed interval A to C. C is open. And beta belongs to closed interval B to D. D is also closed. And we want alpha minus beta. We want alpha minus beta. So how to find out? So very simple thing is that first what we will do, first we will find out minus beta. So this one we can write is what? This one we can write is what? Alpha plus minus beta. Alpha plus minus beta. So we can find out minus beta. Okay, so for finding minus beta, what you will do? This one we have to multiply minus 1. So what you will do? This equation, beta belongs to closed interval b to d. Okay, so here we are multiplying with what? Minus 1. So what will come here? Minus beta belongs to. So here if you multiply with the minus 1, then what will come? D into minus 1. What will come? Minus d. D is included, so minus d also included, comma, b into minus 1. So what will come? Minus b. And b is included, so minus b also included. Now we will do what? Addition of alpha and minus beta. So what will come? Alpha plus minus beta. Alpha plus minus beta. So this is belongs to what will come? Minimum values of alpha is what? A. So this is included. And minimum values of minus beta is minus d. So this is also included. So what will do? A plus minus d. So a plus minus d. This will come, and this is included because both are included, comma. Alpha max is what? C, but alpha is not equal to C. Alpha max is not equal to C. Minus beta max is what? Minus B. This is included, but this is not included. So what is maximum will come? C plus minus B. C plus minus B. Okay, so this is not included, so this is also not included. So alpha minus beta belongs to what will come? Closed interval A minus D to C minus B open. This will come. So whenever we want to subtraction, then we have to follow this one. Okay, one more example we take. So this example is what? Suppose x is greater than 9 and less than or equal to 11, and y is greater than or equal to minus 4 and less than 4. Less than 4. Then we want x minus 2y. We want x minus 2y. Then what you will do? So this one we can add what? X plus minus 2y. X plus minus 2y. So one thing what you will do? First we will find out minus 2y. For that what you will do? This equation we will multiply with what? Minus 2. So this equation we are multiplying into minus 2. So what will come here? Minus 2 into minus 4. What will come here? 8. Inequality sign will change. So this will come what? Less than equal to. Minus 2 into y, what will come? Minus 2y. Inequality sign will change. So this will be greater than. Minus 2 into 4 is what? Minus 8. This will come. Now what you will do? Now we will add this one and this one. Okay. So how to add? So what is the x minimum? That is 9. And what is minus 2y minimum? That is minus 8. What is minus 2y minimum? Minus 8. So what will come? 9 plus minus 8. So what will come here? 1. 1 will come. Okay. So this is what minimum value of. So this is less than sign will come because here both are not included. So definitely less than only will come. X plus minus 2y. So x plus minus 2y. Now maximum value. So here x max is what? 11. X max is what? 11. And minus 2y max is what? 8. So we will add these two. So 11 plus 8 is what? 19. And both are equal to. This is also equal to. This is also equal to. So here 11 plus 8 is what? 19. So 19 is also equal to will come. Okay. Now if you want to do this one, so very simple way is there. So if you want, suppose here you are feeling difficulty. So what you can do? This one we can add is what? Minus 8 is less than minus 2y is less than equal to 8. This we can write. Then directly we can add 9 plus minus 8. 9 plus minus 8 is what? 1. Okay, this is less than, this is also less than. So only less than sign will come. X plus minus 2y. So what will come? X minus 2y. Okay, this is less than equal to 1 and this is also less than equal to 8. So 11 plus 8 is what? 19. So less than equal to 19 will come. So like that we can find out directly.